In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navbar to your Webflow project, creating a seamless way to navigate through your site. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you step by step to integrate a functional and attractive navbar into your website design. Let's dive in and start by opening Webflow. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the Add panel. You'll find this over on the left side of the interface. It's where all your foundational elements reside, ready for use in building out your web pages. Once you've opened the Add panel, you are going to focus on finding the Elements section. This is where you'll find various building blocks you can use across your site. Everything from text blocks, images, links, and more are integrated into this useful panel. However, for our objective today, you'll want to look a little deeper into the options available here. Scroll down in the Elements section until you see an option labeled Advanced. This area houses more complex components you might need, including the one we are focused on today, the navbar. The navbar is an essential aspect of modern web design, providing an intuitive way for users to navigate through different sections of your website. It's crucial not only for user experience, but also for helping your visitors find the content they need quickly and easily. Now, it's time to bring that navbar onto the canvas where the magic happens. Click and hold on the navbar from the Advanced section and drag it over to your Webflow canvas. You'll find that the process is quite straightforward. Simply position it where you'd like it to appear within your design framework. As you do this, think about where it makes the most sense for your users. Most navbars are placed at the top of the page, ensuring they are visible and accessible the moment someone lands on your site. Once the navbar is on your canvas, you might want to adjust its styling or add links to different sections of your site. The navbar component comes pre-loaded with basic branding, menu, and background functionalities, all customizable to fit the look and feel of your website. Consider how your navbar's style, size, and color align with your site's theme to create a coherent design aesthetic. Remember, while the technical aspect of adding a navbar is simple, the thought you put into it will significantly impact how it serves your audience. As you continue to experiment with your navbar, keep user experience top of mind. A well-designed navbar isn't just a functional feature, but a pivotal element that enhances your site's usability and accessibility. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward moves, you've added a navbar to your project, a key step in creating an interactive and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.